Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you our trial mold service using a customized mold frame designed for 3-piece molding machines. With this customized mold frame, we are able to carry out mold testing for any model of Kurtz molding machines. This is a 3-piece mold frame for the Kurtz 810 machine. Our 3-piece EPS mold is installed inside this frame for the trial run. Here, you can see the moving mold side, and over here is the fixed mold side. After the 3-piece mold is fully installed, the entire assembly is mounted onto the molding machine for testing. Please note that this customized mold frame is not shipped together with the mold. It is used exclusively for our internal testing purposes. By using this method, we ensure that 3-piece molds can be successfully tested on standard molding machines, guaranteeing the reliability and stability of the mold before shipment. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.